How to download ESPN Fantasy Sports. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to download ESPN Fantasy Sports. Downloading ESPN Fantasy Sports is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Google Play Store. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store. Search for ESPN Fantasy Sport. In the search bar at the top, type ESPN Fantasy Sports and press enter. Select the app. Find the app in the search result and tap on it. Install the app. Tap on install button to download and install the app on your mobile device. ESPN Fantasy Sports is a comprehensive app that offers a platform for fans of various sports to create, manage and compete in fantasy leagues. Open the app. Once installed, you can open it directly from the Play Store or find it on your home screen or app drawer. And here you go, that's how you can download ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.